Give up, look after, run into. These are phrasal verbs, and natives use them constantly. Here are 72 of the most common. Look at the picture, say the phrasal verb. Let's go! Morning to night. Daily routine. Wake up. It means to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 every day. Get up. It means to leave your bed. I get up as soon as the alarm rings. Turn on. It means to start a light or machine. Please turn on the light. Turn off. It means to stop a light or machine. Turn off the TV before bed. Put on. It means to dress in clothes. I put on my coat before I go out. Take off. It means to remove clothes. Take off your shoes at the door. Sit down. It means to take a seat. Please sit down and relax. Stand up. It means to rise to your feet. We stand up when the teacher comes in. Lie down. It means to rest flat on your back. I lie down when I feel tired. Go out. It means to leave home for fun. We go out on Friday nights. Eat out. It means to have a meal in a restaurant. We eat out once a week. Come back. It means to return to a place. I come back home at 6. People and feelings. Relationships. Get along with. It means to be friendly with someone. I get along with my classmates. Hang out. It means to relax with friends. We hang out at the park. Grow up. It means to become an adult. I want to grow up and be a pilot. Break up. It means to end a relationship. They broke up last month. Make up. It means to be friends again. We had a fight, but we made up. Ask out. It means to invite someone on a date. He asked her out to the movies. Look after. It means to take care of someone. I look after my little sister. Cheer up. It means to make someone happier. A funny joke can cheer you up. Let down. It means to disappoint someone. Don't let me down again. Show up. It means to arrive. He showed up an hour late. Catch up with. It means to reach someone ahead of you. Run fast and catch up with them. Run into. It means to meet someone by chance. I ran into an old friend today. Work and study. School and work. Find out. It means to learn new information. I found out the answer. Figure out. It means to work something out. I figured out the puzzle. Fill out. It means to complete a form. Fill out this form, please. Turn in. It means to hand finished work in. I turned in my homework. Write down. It means to note it on paper. Write down the new words. Look up. It means to search for information. Look up the word in a dictionary. Point out. It means to show something important. She pointed out my mistake. Put off. It means to delay until later. Don't put off your homework. Go over. It means to review carefully. Let's go over the lesson again. Give up. It means to stop trying. Never give up. Keep up with. It means to go as fast as others. I can't keep up with them. Set up. It means to arrange or prepare. We set up the tent together. Getting around. Movement and travel. Get in. It means to enter a car. Get in the car, please. Get out of. It means to leave a car. She got out of the taxi. Get on. It means to enter a bus or train. We get on the bus at 8. Get off. It means to leave a bus or train. Get off at the next stop. Pick up. It means to collect someone by car. Mom picks me up after school. Drop off. It means to leave someone at a place. Dad drops me off at school. Slow down. It means to go less fast. Slow down. You are too fast. Speed up. It means to go faster. Speed up or we will be late. Pull over. It means to stop at the side of the road. The car pulled over quickly. Turn around. It means to face the other way. Turn around and look at me. Go away. It means to leave a place. Go away, I am busy right now. Come over. It means to visit someone's home. Come over to my house today. Money and shopping. Shops and money. Try on. It means to test if clothes fit. Can I try on this blue shirt? Pick out. It means to choose from a group. I picked out a blue shirt. Take back. It means to return it to the store. I took back the broken toy. Pay back. It means to return money you borrowed. I will pay you back tomorrow. Pay off. It means to finish paying what you owe. She paid off her new bike. Run out of. It means to have none left. We ran out of milk again. Give away. It means to hand it over for free. He gave away his old toys. Save up. It means to keep money for something. I am saving up for a bike. Cut back on. It means to use less of something. Cut back on sugar in candy. Add up. It means to find the total. Add up the prices, please. Shop around. It means to compare prices in shops. Shop around before you buy it. Rip off. It means to charge far too much. That shop ripped me off. Everyday problems. Things that go wrong. Break down. It means to stop working. Our old car broke down again. Clean up. It means to make a place tidy. Clean up your room, please. Throw away. It means to put it in the trash. Throw away the empty box. Put away. It means to return things to their place. Put away your toys now. Look for. It means to try to find something. I am looking for my keys. Take care of. It means to handle a job or problem. I will take care of it today. Turn down. It means to lower the volume. Turn down the music, please. Turn up. It means to raise the volume. Turn up the radio, I love it. Give back. It means to return it to its owner. Give back my pencil, please. Calm down. It means to become less angry. Calm down and take a deep breath. Hurry up. It means to move faster. Hurry up, we are late for school. Watch out for. It means to be careful of danger. Watch out for the wet floor. Great job! Now you sound like a native. Subscribe for more and visit esldesk.com for games, quizzes, and stories. See you next time!